Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on TikTok. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Now, once you're in here, go to the bottom right and tap on your profile. Okay, just tap on it, wait for it to load. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and then tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. And once done, go ahead over to settings and privacy. All right, just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and tap on privacy. Tap on it. Down here, go ahead and scroll down until you find direct messages. Okay, just tap on it. Down here, as you can see, we have the read status. And it says here, people can see when you have read their messages. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. Now, to turn this off, just tap on the slider, and once done, you're good to go. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.